Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to turn off settings restricted by TikTok to protect your privacy. For example, if you try to post something on TikTok and after that you see this kind of error on your phone while posting something, so how you can turn it off or you can fix this. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply close this page. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply go to settings. And here what you have to do, you have to simply go to general, and here you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So here you have to simply click on reset and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply go back. Now what you have to do, you have to simply go to App Store and you have to make sure that you have installed the latest version of the TikTok app. And if it is showing any kind of update, then you have to simply update the TikTok app. And after updating the TikTok app, you have to simply open the TikTok app and you have to see some settings. So the first of all, we will know about what this means when TikTok says setting restricted by TikTok to protect your privacy. The first setting that TikTok restrict is who can do it with your videos. So if your age is 13 to 15, no one can do it with your videos and this can't be changed. But if your age is 16 to 17, this control can be set to friends. This means that people you can follow on. Moreover, you can also set whether if you have a public account, then you can allow others to do it with your videos. And the next thing you can do is so how you can fix that. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to go to that settings, and after that you have to change the settings. Like you have to change the settings of who can you do it with. So first of all, you have to simply, if your age is 13 to 15, then first of all you have to change your age by requesting the TikTok by simply contacting the TikTok help center. And after that, what you have to do, you can also fill the TikTok feed form so that you can simply change your age. Moreover, you can also create a new TikTok account with the age above the 18 years so that you can simply not restricted by these settings. So in this way, you can simply change these settings and turn off this setting. Otherwise, there is no option available. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.